textures.
According to the plans here, the main living area is first.
Yeah.
We should reinforce the ceiling beams before we do anything else.
The lighting really brings out the textures.
This looks absolutely stunning.
Watch the edge there, careful now. Almost in, just a little higher. Yeah. I have the shingles ready. Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift. Okay, guide it in. Hold it there, I'm securing the corner. Securing the corner. Lift it higher, we need to clear the threshold. Hold it steady while I check the hinges. Almost there, just a little to the left. To the left.
Hey, clear that corner next. All right, watch the water run off.
Welcome to the grand sitting room.
As you can see, the TechCore design team really captured the vision. Look at how the blue resin is starting to flow across the room.
It's stunning. The gloss finish reflects the chandelier beautifully. What do you think of the placement?
As you can see, the spotlight highlights the intricate details perfectly.
According to the plans, the reinforcement cage goes right here. Yeah. Okay, I'll tell them to set the base layer.
Another masterpiece completed. The lighting really brings out the stonework.